What is up, guys? We are back. We just finished up one heck of a goose hunt. This weather has been downright crappy. We're supposed to get an inch of snow all day today. Supposed to start at 9 o'clock last night and get a total of an inch between 9 o'clock last night and 10 o'clock tonight. But it snowed absolutely all morning. I think we're up to 2 or 3 inches now. But my goodness. But hey, check this out. This is what a farmer sent me yesterday. Woo, buddy, that gets the old blood pumping. He said there's a couple thousand Canadas and several hundred speckle bellies. And we'll go over and check it out. We sell a bunch of speckle bellies. Garrett will be here. Gonna get my buddy Brian, and I think he'll have his nephew Levi and his buddy Clay, a couple 13, 14-year-olds, and we're gonna get after these. We're gonna set out about 15 dozen dive bomb and tangle-free skinnies, run a panel blind like always, and he'll have his Lucky Duck 2x4 A-frame. Stay tuned, y'all are gonna like this. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, give us that big old thumbs up. It means a lot to us, and it sure helps the channel out. Hope y'all enjoy it. Get ready. Kill him. Heads up. Heads up. My bad. Yes, is mine? Yes. Smoke him. Smoke him. Dad. Dad. Kill him. Heads up. Hold on, I'm coming. Hey, Garrett. Nico, here. Nico, heel. 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 Nico, heel. Heel. Back. Guys, duck back. Watch behind. Fetch. Fetch up. Here, let's go. Here. Right here, Nico. Here. Here. Good boy. Here. Heel. Garrett, I got these. Stay in the blind. Nico, heel. Heel. Back. Fetch. Good boy. Here. Get ready, guys. Yes! Hey, get ready, load up, load up! Take it. Here. Here. Come on. Fetch it up. Good boy, leave it. Hey, heel, heel. Back. Sit, Nico. Sit. Sit. Look at all the specks. Oh, I actually got something.
Speck? You got speck?
I just got a freaking speck. Hey.
Nice shot.
Thank you.
I got my first freaking speck.
Neil, I'm sorry, man. No, you're fine, guys. Take him. What the heck?
Nice shot, man.
Oh, there's a bucket right there. Watch it.
Get it.
Nico. Right behind us, I hear him.
Right over.
What? I can't tell. I don't think so. On you?
Kill him! Oh, I got that one on the right. I got that one on the left. Dude, they did it. Who shot that one on the right?
Me.
I got the left.
I got the right one.
Hey, Neil, I think I doubled with you on that left one.
Me and Levi,
I'm not sure.
Levi didn't shoot. I said, let Neil shoot. Let Neil shoot him.
Well, hopefully Garrett got that on his, because I didn't get it on mine. That makes 13 Canadas and 2 specks. Hey, here. 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 Come on. Good boy. Leave it. Another banger.